Hi, we're making a different kind of pork chops. We're making braised beer mustard pork chops. So as just like it says, we're braising it, pulling it back over and making it golden brown. First of all, what you need to do is, let's move over to right here. You're gonna need completely defrosted beef pork chops. You're probably gonna cut them up to fit. We try to do 3 at a time. And as you can see, there's several amounts. And you see I'm washing dishes. You're going to try to fit at least 3 in. You're going to put in some sweet peppers as a garnish, as well as a little side that you'll put in for the flavoring, as well as flavoring, tomatoes. And what you're going to do is that you're going to put on both sides the pork chops. You're going to put on the beer mustard. Now you're asking, what is beer mustard? Beer mustard you can buy at Aldi's right now because it is a German dish, and Oktoberfest actually starts after October in Germany. So this will be a great Oktoberfest thing. And also pork is also something that you can bring on to Oktoberfest. It has very sweet, tart fit and taste. So if you want it more sweet, you can add mint or even sugar to it, similar to what you would do for ham. Or you can just leave it as is. I'm leaving it as is. I'm letting all of the rest of the flavors bring out. Because if you are a person who hasn't eaten beer mustard, this probably wouldn't probably want to bring it more to what they would normally do. But we're going to leave it as is and have the braise speak to you. So what we're also using before we put everything in, we're putting the things in all on the side. We're braising one side at a time. We're putting this on because as it moistures in and as the moisture goes around, it's really changing how everything tastes. We're not using regular cooking oil. We're using olive oil, so the taste keeps on. We don't want the taste to be moved around. We want it to sear and go into every single part of it. It's a really good thing, and it takes a little bit of a second. And how much are we gonna cut up? We're gonna cut up about 6 or 7 little peppers. We're gonna add tomatoes, and that's gonna be 4 or 5. We're using the real small ones. If you use the big one, just one for this. And we're gonna sear each side slowly and surely until it's nice and golden brown, and then we're gonna flip it over. We're gonna go to the next video and see it flipped over. We're gonna see how it looks and how the pan looks, and then we're gonna take it off.